Hi viewers, one of the most speculative black hole merging event was detected on last 2023 November 23. This was called as LIGO Virgo Cargo or GW231123 event. This was detected on November 23, 2023. This is the most massive black hole merger event observed. It involves two black holes. One is about under 3 times massive as solar masses, as well as another one is 137 times as massive as solar masses, so merging making the about 2 to 5 solar masses. This challenges existing models as black holes as massive cannot merge each others. So this standard model of the stellar black holes and stellar evolution is challenged. Scientists propose these as one of the speculative and mega structure merging of the black hole. What are the key features about this? The rapid spin. Both black holes are spinning at 400 times that of the Earth's rotation. So just you can imagine how fast they both are spinning. The gravitational waves of these both merging black holes emitted ripples in the space-time detectable for 0.1 seconds by LVK observatories. It conquered 5 billion light years away. This particular event was occurred from the 5 billion light years away, even though it has very clearly detected from the Earth. Another key event is the mass gap violation. The progenerating masses fall into the forbidden range, that is 60 to 130 solar masses, defying the conventional star-death models. What are the scientific importance of these? Theoretical challenges. Existing models cannot fully explain the formation of such massive, rapidly spinning black hole merging. Advanced waveforms models were used to analyze these signals. The random pace. The remnant black holes emitted multiple gravitational wave tones during this stabilization, revealing a high distorted structure. What is the future researchers about this? The data from this event will be refined black hole formation theories and improve detectors sensitivity for the future observation. So the discovery was announced in GR25 ML16 conference in July 2025. Even though this merger has occurred on 2023, this has announced on last July 2025 with the calibration data available to the public. So this is called the Gravitational Wave Open Science Chamber. So through this video we have brought the latest announcement that was made on July 2025 by the scientific world to the general public about the massive two black hole merging occurred on 23 or observed on 23 November 2023. Please be tuned with us for these sort of latest astronomical news as well as findings.